Hey guys, it's Emily and today I will be doing the BookTube anniversary tag. So I celebrated my first BookTube anniversary on March 12th and I hadn't really planned on doing anything special for it, but a lot of you guys have been asking me if I was going to do anything special about it, and when I saw that this BookTube tag existed, I just decided to do it as well. So to spice things up a little bit, today I'm also going to be doing my makeup because I am going to an interview today for a job. So I just thought that since I'm going to be doing my makeup anyways, might as well make the best out of the two and combine those together. Okay, so first I'm just gonna pull my hair out of my face because we don't want that to bother us. Okay, I'm just gonna bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see my face a little bit better. So first question is, what anniversary are you celebrating? And I'm also gonna prime my face while I'm doing that. Sorry, my makeup is all over the floor, so you might be hearing things. But yeah, today, like I said, I'm celebrating my first BookTube anniversary. So the second question is, what genre or genres does your channel generally focus on? I read a lot of YA, as you guys know, and that's mainly what I do on a, you know, whenever I film my video, it's mostly about a YA book. But if I have to focus on like different genres, I'd say contemporaries because I read a lot of those. Those are my favorites. But I also really like fantasy, depending on the fantasy book. So I read a lot of different things, but I guess contemporary, romance, and fantasy would be like my main genres. By the way, I have the questions on my phone, which is why I'm always looking down. And I might be looking at the viewfinder a lot for this video, but this is the only way that I can see what I'm doing. So next question is, what are you most proud of on your channel in the last year? That's kind of hard for me to answer because honestly I feel like this year was one of discovery and I don't really know how to answer that question, to be honest. But I think what I'm most proud of, oh, by the way, I forgot to show you guys, I'm using the Too Faced Burn This Way foundation. And yeah, I think what I'm the most proud of this year on my channel, I guess it would be like the fact that I gained confidence a lot on camera. Like if I rewatch my first video, it was so cringy. I did that the other day for, I don't know why, I just wanted to see where it all began, I guess. And I don't know, I've grown so much as a YouTuber. I feel like my editing is a lot better. My confidence on camera, I'm much more comfortable talking to a camera now. And yeah, I don't know, I guess those are the things that I'm most proud of because when I started this, I did this for fun, honestly. And yes, I did hope to grow and like meet new people, make friends, but I don't know, I just never thought that I would become more comfortable on camera, or like, I don't know, I guess it was unexpected, and I'm really proud of that. Like I'm proud that I'm now comfortable talking about my channel to some people. Like I feel like I've grown a lot in the last year, not only on YouTube but as a person. So that's something and I think my channel has contributed to that a lot, so I'm really happy about that, and that's something that I'm proud of. Next question is, do you receive ARCs to review? So I don't receive physical ARCs to review because, let's be honest, I'm really not big enough to receive ARCs to review. However, I received them through NetGalley and Edelweiss. Anyone can receive those if you create your profiles on there. So I did receive some ARCs through there. Like I replied and I got some of them, and I've got them before, like even before I had my channel. I was reviewing books. Well, for a while I did review books on NetGalley, and like Edelweiss is new, but like NetGalley, I used to receive ARCs through there. So like I have ARCs. I'm really bad at reading them though, so like, oops, yeah, I do get some ARCs from time to time. Question number 5 is, what types of video do you most like to do on your channel? That's a hard question because I feel like I've been experimenting a lot. As I said before, on my channel, like I do a wide variety of videos, but I love filming like book unboxings. Like when I get new bookish mail, I always get so excited to unbox them, so like that's fun. I also really love vlogs, even though they're really hard for me to film. I don't know why, but yeah, I guess those two I would really love to do. So question number 6 is, what types of videos do you like to watch on other people's channels? I really love vlogs. I feel like vlogging is more and more popular even on BookTube, and I just really love watching those. Sorry, I cannot do both at the same time. Yeah, I feel like I really love watching reading vlogs, and that's not even just reading vlogs, like lifestyle vlogs as well. I'm really curious and I like to see the behind the scenes of people's life. Like I love to see what people are up to in their like day-to-day life. So that's something that I really like doing, and I really love vlogs for that, because I feel like it allows us to know the creator a little bit better. Because yes, it's fun to see what they like to read and stuff like that, but I feel like seeing them in their environment, that's like something completely different, and like I love that. So I guess those are my favorite types of videos. Question number 7 is there anything that you tried last year on the channel but didn't work? So like I said, in the last year I experimented a lot with my channel. Like I did a bunch of different things, and I wouldn't say something didn't work, because in a way, like, all my videos got some type of view. So like for me, that was it. If my video got 1 view, that was great. That meant it worked. I didn't really have any expectations with my videos when I first started, because I knew that this first year would be one of experimenting and trying out things. I don't really know if I have anything that didn't work, like, per se. So question number 8 is there anything that you've done on your channel last year that you won't continue doing next year? So now we're on to blush, and I'm using the Butter Blush by Physicians Formula. As I was saying before, as much as I love doing book hauls, I feel like in the last year, since I've joined BookTube, I've been buying a lot of books and I haven't been reading a lot of them. Like some books that I mentioned in my first book haul, I still haven't read. And I also feel like my book hauls, as much as I love doing them, I love receiving books, I love buying them, I'm also not the best at book hauls, simply because, as you guys probably know if you've watched some of my book hauls in the past, I like diving into my books pretty blind. I don't like knowing too much about the books that I read before actually reading them. I feel like my book hauls are always like, hey, I bought this book, I'm excited to read it. I don't really have much to say about it, and I don't know, I just feel like I don't really have much to say about them. I don't really have any like thoughts or even a synopsis, because like I said, I don't like knowing too much about the books that I read before reading them. I know book hauls are really popular, and on my channel they're always performing well. I'm doing brows, by the way, and this is a Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. As I was saying, what was I even saying? As much as I know book hauls are popular and a lot of people love doing them, and that's fine if you do, like, honestly, good for you, but personally I just feel like it's promoting consumerism first. I buy books that I don't always end up reading, and second of all, I also, like I said, I want to buy less books and actually read the books that I already own. So I won't be doing book hauls per se this year. However, in my vlogs I'm always unboxing the stuff that I receive in the mail. So like if I order books, if I buy new books, I'm always showing them in my vlogs. So if you guys want to see what I buy and what's new on my radar, I guess you can always watch my vlogs and you'll see me unbox the books that I bought. So that was my little spiel on hauls. Question number 9 is there anything that you plan to do more of this year? Honestly, just more vlogs in general. Okay, I cannot do my brows and like talk at the same time, so I'm just gonna do them real quick and then we'll be right back. So my brows are done. Now we're gonna answer the question, and also my camera's battery is about to die, so I'm gonna try to power through these last questions and like do my makeup real quick. And the question was, is there anything that you plan to do more of this year? I want to do more vlogs, but I also want to include more lifestyle content into my channel. I've mentioned it in my goals for 2019 video, I think. I just want to incorporate more lifestyle aspects to my channel because I love watching those videos, and I just think that this would be a great way for you guys to get to know me a little bit better. So question number 10 is there anything new that you plan to add to your channel next year? I feel like I just answered that with the lifestyle aspect. I did do some lifestyle stuff in 2018. For when I started my channel, I was doing mostly like lifestyle videos. Yeah, I started sticking more to BookTube when I discovered it, basically, like mostly like summer and the fall, and like up until now I started doing more BookTube videos. By the way, this is my brow finish brow gel by Decay. Next is what are some of the challenges that you face on your channel? So I'm going to do a little bit of setting spray, and this is the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. I like to do it before I do my mascara, otherwise I feel like it smears all over my face. So, what was I saying? Oh yeah, is there anything that I'm not doing right on my channel? I feel like my videos don't get really a lot of engagement, and that's probably because I'm still very small, but I joined BookTube or YouTube to, you know, make friends and meet new people. Where's my mascara? Yeah, I wanted to meet new people, and I feel like I haven't really done that so far on my channel. So I think that's one of the challenges that I face, like just getting more engagement and like communicating with you guys. I feel like I'm always on social media and stuff like that, but I don't really take the time to answer you guys or like participate in the conversation mainly. So that's a challenge that I face. And question number 12 is, what equipment do you use to film your videos? I'm actually filming on my Canon EOS Rebel 2.6i. So this is what I've been using since the beginning to film my videos. Sometimes I use my iPhone 8 to film my vlogs, but mostly it's done on my Canon. It's just like when I'm out and about in the world, I don't want to carry this bulky camera. So like, that's why I have the iPhone. Question number 13 is, what is your one best piece of advice you can give to another booktuber? Honestly, it's gonna sound super cliche. I stopped doing my makeup. I need to get back into it. What was I saying? Oh yeah. Honestly, it's gonna sound super cliche, but whether it's like a booktube channel or any type of channel, really, just get started. I feel like when I started personally, I put a lot of pressure on myself. I thought like my videos had to be perfect and everything. But here's the thing, a lot of people won't watch your first videos. Like, you won't be discovered because of your first videos. Do whatever you want, experiment with it. Just like, it will get better as like the more you do it. So like, just get started. That's my piece of advice. I know I won't be able to do mascara and like talk at the same time, so I'm just gonna answer that last question and I'll do the rest of my makeup real quick. Okay, last question is, what is the best part of having a booktube channel? Honestly, the community is absolutely amazing, so I think that would be like the best part of it, because as much as I don't feel included in the community, I know the community is amazing. I see the way they interact with one another, and like, it's just great to see. And also I feel like it made me discover a lot of books that I probably wouldn't have read otherwise, so that's a great part of it, because I discovered some of my favorite books because of BookTube. So I'm very thankful and grateful for this community of people. So I will be doing the rest of my makeup off camera. I'm using, where's my mascara? I keep losing it. The Dare Real Mascara by Benefit. This is a sample size. Alright, mascara is done. I'm just going to do my lipstick, which is the BiteBeauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in the shade Meringue, which is my go-to. And I just wanted to thank Mary from With Cinnamon Please, who made me discover this BookTube tag. So I will leave the link to her channel down below if you want to check her out. You should definitely do that if you haven't already. And that's it for this video. I'm just gonna remove this because I'm not gonna go to my interview wearing this headband. Here's the final look. This has been my go-to makeup lately, so you guys got a little sneak peek of what I do. I will leave the link to all the products down below because I haven't really talked about them, but I will leave them in the description box if you guys are interested. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I guess that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!